About a year and a half, and was finally predicted that I would have to have a discogram, so I have an artificial disc placed in my neck. I was very educated on the process and what to expect. I was given paperwork when I left the very first day, and I knew what was ahead, and I was informed the entire process. Everyone here has been extremely professional. It is a waiting period, but the wait is definitely worth it, and I'm very confident that behind the scenes everyone here was working on my case and in my best interest until the very end, and I would strongly recommend this law firm. The people here are just really friendly. I looked forward to the conversations and coming in. It was very much resolved to my satisfaction because it wasn't a one-time offer from this law firm. They went back again and renegotiated, which actually ended up to my advantage.